Wema sanibona, umakoti osewulisi lona, and if you're looking for a low budget yet nutritious meal, well this video is for you. Ngicela usondele ngapha senze this quick and easy meal prep for 2 days. So today we're making stuffed gem squash with boiled cabbage as well as pan-fried lamb. Uzofaka i-gem squash ne-sweet corn ebhodweni, a cup of boiling water and then steam for 15 minutes. Wema ngeke sigoqe izandla silenze i-gem squash ivuthwe, inyama ingene epanini. Ngesikhathi lembe sepanini siqhubeka nekabishi siyaqoba siyarenza siyaboila for 15 minutes. Kulate manje kuyasiphoqa ukuthi multitask. After 10 minutes of steaming your gem squash and sweet corn uzobe usukhipha-ke ebhodweni. Ebese-ke uhluba umbila wakho uhlanganise no-cheese and season with salt and black pepper. Ebese-ke uyawustaffa kwi-gem squash and then uvuvuzele nge-parsley. Then after uzophosa i-gem squash yakho kwi-air fryer to cook for 10 minutes at 200 degrees. Sibuyele kwikabishi, angithi uyalibosele right? Uzofaka-ke crushed garlic butter, season with salt and pepper. Ebese kubeka eceleni. Emva ka-10 minutes yakhala i-air fryer sengikhumbuza phela ukuthi hayibo kabe khona ebengikufakile and nakho seku-right. Wema ngithe sengiqedile ngabe sengenza-ke chia seeds pudding yodumo as a snack, of which it's my absolute favorite. But otherwise, if you enjoyed watching this video, like phela, usave i-video ukuze nawe uyizamele i-recipe, uyishare nakwiy'chomi zakho. Otherwise, if usafuna ukubona amanye amavidiyo kanje, followa.